Happy Tuesday, first grade. Today we will learn about spending, saving, and charitable giving. How will we do that? We will draw an example of spending, saving, and charitable giving. Why? Because it's important to know the different ways to use our money. Let's review our vocabulary. Income. Say income. Income is money that is earned from a job. Wants. Say wants. Wants are something that we would like to have but do not need. Need. Say need. A need is something we need to have in order to live. Spending is our new vocabulary word. Say spending. Spending means using your money to buy something or to use your money on. So you might have to go buy food or clothes or a house or a car. You might get sick and have to go pay the doctor to take care of you. You might have to pay somebody to mow your grass. Saving. Say saving. Saving is putting money away for a later use. Some people save their money in a piggy bank. Most people save their money in a real bank. And we save our money for different reasons. There's college, a new house, a new car, a vacation, or maybe when you want to retire. Charitable giving. Say charitable giving. Charitable giving is about using your money to help others. So you donate money to help things like churches or fundraisers, or sometimes you see these things around Christmas time and people put their money in the little kettle. That's to help people that don't have enough money for Christmas. Now, I have a few examples that I need your help deciding if it's spending, saving, or charitable giving. You think you can help me do that? I bet you can. All right, so my first example is giving money to help flood victims. People whose homes were flooded and damaged, and I'm giving them money. Is that spending, saving, or charitable giving? It is charitable giving. You are correct if you said charitable giving. What about purchasing a new pair of sneakers? Spending, saving, or charitable giving? It is spending. You were correct if you said spending. Buying a new toy. Spending, saving, or charitable giving? Well, if I'm buying the new toy for me, it's spending. Paying for a movie ticket. Spending, saving, or charitable giving? It is spending. You are using your money to buy a ticket. What about paying for ice cream for you and your friend? Is that spending, saving, or charitable giving? It is spending. You are buying ice cream. What about depositing income into your bank account? Is that spending, saving, or charitable giving? It is saving. When you put money in the bank and you don't touch it and you don't spend it, it is called saving. Now for your assignment today, you are going to draw an example of spending, an example of saving, and an example of charitable giving. Then I want you to label your picture. So if you're spending, you're buying a new toy, draw the toy and then write toy. Saving, if you're saving it in the bank, draw the bank and draw bank. Write bank. Charitable giving, if you are giving to a church or to help a family or a fundraiser that is helping to raise money, then write what it is at the bottom of your picture so I know what your picture is. Then when you're finished, there is a brain pop video about saving and spending. And what did you learn today? That income is money that is earned. Wants are something we would like to have but do not need. A need is something we need to have in order to live. Spending is using your money to buy something or use your money on. Saving is putting your money away for later, for a later use. Charitable giving is when we use our money to help others. And that is all for math today. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.